Hello, right guys, we're all smashing the training at the moment. There'll definitely be spikes in your volume of running, volume of cycling, things like that. Lots of things that can tend to increase the load of the knee joint. Okay, so patellofemoral joint. Yeah, kneecap sits in a little groove at the bottom of the thigh bone. You can see the groove is higher on the outside, it's a lateral buttress wall. So what can sometimes happen is either if there's a tracking issue or purely just the volume of training has caused a sudden spike in loading of this joint, then it can become sensitized. Now, there is a really nice, easy and effective taping technique. We use Rocktape here because it's awesome. Can get it on our online store. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to take the knee up. So you've got your kneecap here, all right? You want to be sat against something so you can relax the leg and the kneecap is movable, all right? You got your, just below the kneecap, the patella tendon, you can feel that, and dropping off either side, got the squidgy bits either side of the tendon. So bottom of the kneecap, top of the shin, tendon, squidgy bits. These are our landmarks, all right? So we're going to go from squidgy bit on the inside and roll to about a third of the way up the leg. If it's that long, when you've measured it out, take about a third of that off and cut there, all right? Really simple, just to round off the edges. It makes it last a little bit longer. So round the edges. Then tear tabs. So if you pull the tape, the paper will rip, the tape doesn't, and you get a little tab like that at that end, and a tab like that at that end. Go from the squidgy bit on the inside, just lay it on, stick it on well, then take the middle bit of the tape off, okay? Now this is the bit we stretch, so stretch to about 100%, drop back to 75, and roll it on. The idea is to catch the outside edge of your kneecap as you roll that tape onto the thigh. So we've got one strip on the outside, we're going to do the same on the inside. So roll it out from here, catching the inside edge of the patella, about a third of the way up the leg. Take the quarter bit off, cut, and roll off, round off the edges. Tear your tabs, like so. And then starting on the outside, squidgy bit, yeah, sticking it on there. Take that middle bit off, we're going to stretch that bit. About 75%, roll it on, catching the inside edge of the kneecap. All right, so those are two lifters under there. Then third bit goes underneath. So this bit's going to sit below the bony bit of the kneecap and just above the top of the bony bit of the shin. So right over the patella tendon. Measure this one to size and cut it to size. Again, round your edges. Tear your tabs. Now this time you're going to take the middle tab off first. Okay, so take the middle tab off, lay it right on the patella tendon, roll it up. So we've got a smiley kneecap. Okay, roll it up the inside, make the kneecap smile, and there you have it. Lay it on nicely. When you straighten the leg, it should crunkle the skin up on your over the top of the kneecap. Shows you've done it effectively, and that should last you a good time, at least a few sessions, and help offload that anterior knee pain. The mechanism is potentially a bit of a mechanical offload, but also there's a bit of a play in terms of the pain signals going up to the brain, so it helps to desensitize and offload the knee.